You're 3 episodes into a Netflix show you stopped liking 40 minutes ago. You're justifying it as background noise while doom scrolling Reddit. Then someone casually drops this truth bomb. Oh yeah, Netflix runs on Java. Hold up, Java? The programming equivalent of filing your taxes in binary? The language that made Hello World feel like a full-stack deployment? That Java? Netflix, the global king of seamless binge-watching, relies on a language most developers associate with enterprise trauma, decade-old IDEs, and documentation written in ancient scrolls.
What?
It's one of those wait what moments that makes your brain temporarily 404. Netflix is supposed to be futuristic.
What?
Clean UI, adaptive streams, hyper-targeted recommendations that somehow know you're always in the mood for a murder documentary. So naturally, you'd expect it to run on something flashy, maybe Rust, Go, or some trendy framework powered by TypeScript and blind faith. But no, behind that slick UI is a battalion of microservices built with, drumroll, good old Java. With Spring Boot as the duct tape that doesn't just hold, it thrives. Now let's be fair, Java's reputation, not exactly spotless, it's verbose. It gives off strong legacy system from 2004 vibes. Writing a REST API in Java can feel like applying for a mortgage while blindfolded. And yet, Netflix didn't get stuck with Java like it was some unfortunate corporate inheritance. They chose Java, on purpose, with enthusiasm, and not just for the backend. They doubled down and built some of the most powerful open source tools in the backend world: Hystrix, preventing cascading failures like a digital airbag; Eureka, the service discovery wizard; Zuul, the API gateway handling millions of requests per second like it's brewing coffee. All Java, all open source, all rock solid. It's like finding out your grandma built Docker during her knitting breaks. Why? Because despite the jokes and the memes, Java still slaps.
What?
It's fast. It scales. It runs on the JVM, an engine of performance if tuned right. The ecosystem, mature, stable, battle-hardened. And with Spring Boot, Java stops feeling like XML hell and starts feeling almost enjoyable. You can spin up a microservice with a single class and a couple of annotations. No more drowning in 500-line config files. Still Java, just less crying. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't Java dead? Isn't it that thing boomers code in while Gen Z invents a new JS framework every lunch break? Nope, Java isn't dead. It's undead. The immortal vampire of programming languages. It shows up on every TOB index, every Stack Overflow survey, still sitting pretty in the top 5 globally. Over 90% of Fortune 500 companies still riding the Java train. This isn't just old code being babysat. This is active, mission-critical, production-grade usage. Java is the cockroach of programming languages. You could hit it with a global meltdown, and it would still compile. So here's the real takeaway. Netflix doesn't care if Java is cool. They care that it works, that it scales, that it can juggle hundreds of millions of users without turning into a dumpster fire. While you're out here debating Bun versus Deno, Java is out here powering your 5th straight episode of Love is Blind like a quiet overachiever who doesn't need your approval. Sometimes the best tech isn't the flashiest. It's the one that just won't die. And Java? Java is immortal. So next time you hit play on Netflix, just remember, somewhere in the back end, a Spring Boot service is quietly logging your every binge-watch decision. If that gives you a little chill down your spine, drop your Java trauma in the comments. Or your redemption story. And hey, if you're thinking, okay, maybe I want to build cool stuff like that, check out CodeCrafters. Their platform helps you get hands-on with real back-end projects that actually matter. Want to build your own DNS server? Or reinvent Git from scratch? No clown shoes, no tutorial hell, just serious projects that level you up while others are still trying to center a div. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Become a fellow CodeBlastX, where the code's hot, the takes are hotter, and Java is still somehow alive.